The day is finally here, my friend, and the myEcon 2025 global launch is officially tonight. Now, I'll make this real stupid simple for you. If you are watching this video and you want to take part in the biggest commission launch in 2025 and probably a long, long time, link in the description down below. Maybe I shared this post with you on social, on Facebook, or wherever it is. But if you want to take part in this global launch, you can see right here, this is the live webinar launch tonight at midnight. So you're probably seeing this video on a Friday. If you're seeing this post video, then obviously you could just, again, hit the link in the description down below to get to this video here. But I will be live tonight, okay, Friday night at midnight on my YouTube channel. If you want to take part in this launch, here is exactly what you need to do if and only if you want to be part of the largest commission launch in 2025. Yes, I will be making sales for you live on camera, plugging you directly into my own personal global sales rotator as myEcon launches for the first time ever across the entire globe. We have been waiting months, really years for this to happen, and it is finally here. And you have an opportunity, my friend, to absolutely crush it right out of the gate. I literally am getting messages every single day, people commenting here on my YouTube channel and all over social media. People are anxiously awaiting this global launch. If you're not going to take advantage of this, I really don't know how else to help you, my friend. But for those of you guys that really want it, you want it bad, here's exactly what you need to do. Link in the description down below of this video, or if you saw this post over on Facebook, it's going to be in the post description, but links down below. You're going to be able to see the live link, which is going to take you right here. Once you get to this page, this is exactly what you need to do if you want to put yourself in prime position, okay? Number one, okay, make sure you like this video, okay? Number two, subscribe to the channel. Even more importantly, hit the bell icon. What that's going to do for you is it's going to make sure that you get notified by YouTube the moment I go live and the very moment that you can lock in and get inside my personal sales rotator, okay? And I'm going to have all the information for you live on this webinar, be going over everything in detail, everything you need to know, how to get into the rotator, what you got to do. There's some steps you got to take. I'll walk you through all of that. And then we're going to start taking everyone that joins after you and sending them directly to your link and helping you make sales live, my friend. So it is going to be very, very, very exciting, okay? So again, link in the description down below. Come here to this video. Another thing that you could also do, you'll see right here, right on this video, it says notify me. You can click there. That's the same thing as subscribing and then hitting the bell icon. I would do it all if I were you to make absolute 100% certainty you get notified the moment I go live. Okay. So again, Friday, midnight. Okay. March 14th into March 15th. So that Friday into Saturday, I'll be live right here on my YouTube channel at midnight, helping you get started, helping you activate your commissions, helping plug you into my global international sales rotator live. It all goes down tonight. Well, at the time of this video, depending on when you're watching this. Okay. So all that information is in the links in the description down below. And again, if you saw this over on Facebook, check the post details for all the information that I just shared with you. But the moment is here, my friend. The myEcon 2025 global launch is finally here. So get ready. It's going to be absolutely insane. We just crossed on our waiting list, on our sales waiting list. We just crossed 400 people. I showed this to you in other videos. We have 400 people that are waiting just to sign up. Where are all of those sales going to go? They're going to go through my personal global sales rotator, and you could be in that rotator getting some of those sales. It's as simple as that, my friend. It's going to be an epic and awesome night, and I hope to see you there. You know exactly what to do. Links in the description down below. Okay, like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon. If you're on this page right here, hit the notify me button right there, okay? That's going to make sure 1000% you are primed, ready. You have all the information, all the details, and you're going to be ready for this launch. I look forward to seeing you there. It's going to be a fun and exciting night. We'll see you real soon.